All right, let's dive into something huge. We're going to talk about how artificial intelligence is literally building our world now, moving out of our screens and into our cities. It's totally reshaping how we design, construct, and even manage the buildings all around us. And it all starts by tackling a really old and really expensive problem. You know this feeling, right? We've all been there in some way. But in the world of architecture, engineering, and construction, a little delay like that isn't just annoying. It's a problem that can spiral into millions of dollars fast. For decades, this industry has been kind of tangled up in miscommunications and rework. But here's the crazy question. What if a machine could see that delay coming days before it even happens? So here's how we're going to break it down. We're going to follow a construction project from start to finish to see exactly where AI is changing the game. We'll start with why the old way is so flawed, then see how AI helps create a brand new kind of blueprint, turns the job site into a smart, intelligent hub, and even helps create buildings that can think for themselves. And finally, we'll look at what this all means for the future. Okay, so first things first, we have to understand the core problem we're trying to solve. The construction industry, for a long time, has been one of the least digitized industries out there. We're talking about critical information being totally fragmented, trapped in different spreadsheets, endless email chains, and a million phone calls. I mean, the difference between the old way and the new way is just night and day. On one hand, you've got project managers literally spending their days playing phone tag to get a status update, making big decisions based on gut feelings. But on the other hand, you have an AI-powered system that syncs up all the data automatically, gives you a heads up about a potential shortage, and lets you make decisions based on, actual facts. The whole industry is finally shifting from constantly putting out fires to actually preventing them from ever starting. So with that problem in mind, let's head over to the design studio. Because before anyone even thinks about digging a hole, AI is stepping in as a powerful partner, completely changing how we design buildings from the very first sketch. And a big part of this is something called generative design. It's incredible. Instead of an architect drawing just one or two possible solutions, they just set the rules of the game. They tell the AI, okay, here's our budget, here are the materials we want to use, and here's the structural support we need. And then the AI goes to work exploring thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of different designs, and it only shows the very best ones that check all the boxes. And the jump in just pure productivity is just mind-blowing. An architect with these AI tools can spit out 15 to 20 solid design options in the time it used to take them to create maybe 2 or 3 by hand. And this isn't just about being faster, it's about being able to explore creative ideas that were, frankly, just impossible to get to before. And for the engineers, the benefits are just as massive. AI is taking over some of the most boring, tedious, and error-prone tasks imaginable. Think about it. Automatically checking designs against super complex building codes, or instantly filtering out useless data from a structural analysis. We're seeing manual errors drop by up to 60% and a 2 to 3 times increase in overall productivity. That's huge. All right, let's leave the quiet design studio and put on our hard hats. We're heading out to the construction site, where AI is turning into this all-seeing supervisor, a kind of digital foreman that literally never sleeps and sees absolutely everything. So on the site, AI is wearing a bunch of different hats. It's using drones and cameras to automatically compare the real-world progress against the digital plan. It's analyzing supply chains to warn you about material shortages way before your crew's just standing around. It's even acting as a safety officer, spotting hazards like someone not wearing a helmet and sending out an alert in real time. And here's where it saves an absolute ton of money. Check this out. On a huge data center project, an AI system flagged a security part as not installed. The contractor swore up and down it was done. Well, after a closer look, it turned out the part was installed, but in the wrong place. An error that was pretty much invisible to the naked eye. The AI caught it in under 72 hours, saving what could have been weeks of incredibly expensive rework later on. A building's life doesn't stop when the construction is finished. That's really just the beginning. And this is where AI provides maybe its biggest long-term value, in creating a building that can actually think for itself. The secret sauce here is the digital twin. Now, this is not just the static 3D model that was used to build the thing. No way. This is a living, breathing, virtual copy of the actual building, and it's constantly getting fed real-time data from thousands of sensors. The best way to think about it? It's like a building's live health report. And the results in the real world are, well, pretty staggering. especially in really complex places like hospitals. By combining AI with these digital twins, hospitals have seen energy efficiency shoot up by 25%. They've cut the administrative time spent on scheduling in half, and they've even managed to decrease surgical delays by 12%, just by making everything run smarter. So, when you pull back and look at all these pieces together, you start to see that this is way more than just a few cool new tools or gadgets. It's a deep, fundamental shift in how we create and manage our entire world. This is really the core of it. For years, the digital model of a building was basically a system of record. It was a static file, a database of what was supposed to be built. But AI transforms it into a system of action. It becomes a dynamic, intelligent system that doesn't just look at the past, it actively predicts the future and tells you the best thing to do next. And if you need any more proof that this is the real deal, well, just follow the money. The market for AI in construction is set to pretty much triple in the next 5 years. We're going from about $4 billion in 2024 to nearly $12 billion by 2029. That's not a small trend. That's a massive economic wave that's washing over one of the biggest industries on the planet. Which brings us to a really fascinating final thought. As AI starts to take over all the tedious, repetitive, and mathematical parts of building our world, it frees up the human experts to focus on what we do best: high-level strategy, solving really complex problems, and just pure creativity. So the real question isn't whether AI is going to replace us. It's what incredible new things will we design with it? What's the new blueprint for human ingenuity?